Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching all the videos. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to do a video on how to remove the decals. So there's multiple ways on removing the decal. They have the wheel eraser, the most popular way. I don't like that way. It's disgusting. It leaves too much marks. The exterior, I don't like it. And I'll give you an example of what I mean in a second. So the way I'm going to show you, this is my way. Like I said, there's multiple ways besides the wheel eraser. You can use a propane tank, heat up the whole door, take a plastic razor blade and remove that. I simply use a heat gun. This is a Wagner from Home Depot. You just simply take this heat gun, heat up the whole panel, and remove the decals. You'll see in this video, we're using this tool. Also, I'm using a plastic razor blade. So I'm gonna cut the long intro and then we're gonna get right to it. All right, guys, so I'm already plugged in, ready to go. So what you'll see me do is heat up the door, blowing the heat gun side to side. I would like to keep it mainly on one specific location. You don't wanna have it too close, you don't wanna have it too far back. That way it's getting proper heat. As you're heating, you want to start hitting it with your heat gun, just like this. And this will be the first one that's removed. I do like to get it at a certain temperature. That way I can remove the adhesive the proper way. I don't have to come back and do so much removal of the adhesive. But it's not a hard process, guys. It's not something that you should be afraid of doing. You can easily add this to your service. Easily add this to your service. So this is demonstration purposes, but if I wasn't demonstrating with you guys, I would easily have this side of the decal removed in probably about, I would say 10 to 15 minutes. But yeah, I'm gonna keep going at it just to give you guys a better example and how fast you can remove these things. This is the part that I hate. You're trying to move quickly and you got tape that just gets stuck to your hand. All right, so you pretty much see me just remove that in a matter of, well, a couple minutes. And I'm not doing this in real time. I'm doing it in real time, but I'm not doing it in the proper speed that I like to do it in. It's kind of a little bit slower because I'm demonstrating. I'm stopping the video. But you can see I just removed that quickly. I wanted to do something a little bit more quicker, where we'll remove this whole stretch and give the heat flowing on it. Simple, right? And then we'll do this. So what I like to do, I like to start them for the letter rings. I like to start them. So I got all my lettering started now, and I come back and I just have to peel away quickly. Quick little tip. Quick little tip right there, guys. Quick little tip as you see me just peeling away. And then I'll do the same thing for the products. Same thing. Heat, we'll just do the corners. That way we can get going on it. Cool, put that down, boom. Peel away. You wanna be careful that you do not burn your fingertips. This blows out, I think, 1500 degrees. You don't want to burn your fingertips, you don't want to burn your hands. This door does get hot, it heats up, this is metal. So after a while, this will heat up. So you don't want to burn anything. You want to be extremely careful with what you're doing. But as you can see, I'm removing the decals with you guys. We'll finish up, let's keep going. All right, guys, so just like that, the whole door is complete. Now what you will want to do is go ahead and remove all of this adhesive. And I'll give you a quick demonstration on removing the adhesive. And that was finish up the video after that. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do now is show you is the easiest way how to remove the adhesive off with your local store-bought product you can buy at Walmart, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree. You can find this product pretty much anywhere. I'm pretty sure you can see it in the video. This is not what I use on a daily purpose, but I said for the beginners, somebody that want to get into this video, somebody that's into the decal removal, somebody that wanted to get into it, I just said let me pick up the easiest thing so you guys can know. I have this all the time with me, but it's goof off. So very easy. I'm not going to go into any other chemical to remove this because I don't want to confuse you, and it can also get dangerous with stripping the paint or anything like that. So safest thing to use, easiest thing to use. Spray a couple times. So here's the trick. Everyone thinks you're supposed to just simply take your rag and wipe off. No. You have to take your blade. You can have a blade with a handle on it. Me personally, I think this is easier. Take your blade. And you want to just take your razor blade and scrape away. This is plastic, so it won't cause any damage. Won't scar anything, won't scratch anything. Just simply remove the adhesive. And we're almost done here, guys, so we'll finish this up. And you can see all the adhesive dissipating. All right. Now that's a good cleaning. Now you want to take your rag and wipe. Nice. That's how you properly remove a decal removal. I'll give you a close-up, show you. You can't really see any lettering. If you touch the surface, it's no stickiness, no adhesive here. If they want, they can put more decals on here because it's properly removed. So I'm gonna show you, flip the camera, I'll show you that. But that's how you safely remove a decal. That's my way. Yes, there's other methods on removing decals, but I just gave you a demonstration on how it works for me. I can, like I said, without recording, I can get this done probably within, I will say about 10 to 15 minutes per side.